Brett here. Let's talk. Again, buried on the Home Depot website is a really good deal if you're either looking for a circular saw, you want to replace your circular saw, or you're looking for an edge battery. There is a kit right now. It's been there for a week or so. I don't know how long it's going to continue to be there. It's how I got my circular saw. PBLCS302. It's currently their state-of-the-art saw. If you're looking for a saw, if you're looking to replace a saw, totally legit. 4 amp hour edge battery. I guess I should display it. Edge battery. Fast charger. This is $149. This is $139. I have no clue how much the charger is. But at the moment, the kit is at $199. It's buried. I don't know why. You'd need to go looking for it because you probably won't stumble across it. I'll put a link in the description. I'll flash up the page from the website just so you can see it. I'll leave this up for as long as it's still $199. If you're looking for an edge battery, this is the way to do it. If you're looking for this saw, this is the way to do it. See you shortly. Yeah, I know it's a mess in here. Don't judge.